In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your GoDaddy customer number. If you've ever needed to verify your account with support, manage products, or streamline billing, your customer number is the key piece of information they'll ask for. The good news is that it's easy to find, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can grab it in under a minute. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the GoDaddy website. Make sure you're on the official site and logged into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're using the one tied to the products you manage. Sign in with your credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. Being signed in is important because your customer number is part of your account details and won't be visible otherwise. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official GoDaddy link right at the top of the description to make this even easier. If you need it, pause now, use that link, and then come back to follow along. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It might show your initials, a small avatar, or a simple profile outline. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where GoDaddy groups your account options, including settings, sign out, and your key account identifiers. In that drop-down, you'll see your account details displayed, and among them is your customer number. It's typically a short string of digits that identifies your account in GoDaddy's system. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct profile if you manage multiple profiles or businesses under one login. Now, copy or save your customer number so you have it ready for support or verification. On a computer, highlight the number and copy it. On a phone, tap and hold to copy. Store it somewhere secure and easy to find, like a password manager or a private note you trust. While it's not a secret like a password, you still shouldn't share it publicly. Treat it as account-specific information you provide only when needed. And that's it. You've quickly found your GoDaddy customer number by signing in, opening your profile icon, locating the number in the account menu, and saving it for future use. This small step can save time whenever you contact support or manage services. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit the link at the top of the description whenever you need to get back to GoDaddy. Thanks for watching.